Hey guys.
Hi guys, Varun and Geeta. We
Okay.
are here to review
Yeah.
a brand new movie called AK versus AK. A new movie which we saw last night, and
Last
I
night.
yeah. So it was my suggestion because I love Anurag Kashyap. I thought it's gonna be somewhat different, but it was too different. I felt that
Yeah.
it was too different, and when I think I saw the
Trailer.
trailer, I felt it has got a very different screenplay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
But I knew by the trailer like it's a disaster. I never expected it to be good, but just because he was watching and he insisted, so I just watched it. And I was like, okay, let's watch it. And I was watching it only for Anil Kapoor. The
Jackass!
AK I wanted to watch was only Anil Kapoor, not
Huh.
Anurag Kashyap, because I find Anurag Kashyap very irritating. I mean,
Well,
as a director, he's really good. He has directed some really good movies,
um,
but in person and when I see him acting on screen, I find him very irritating.
frankly, I never saw Anurag Kashyap's movie till now in which he has acted. So this was the first movie I was seeing.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have never seen Anurag Kashyap's movie in which he has
Acting.
acted.
Okay.
Yeah. So my expectations were really high, but the thing is, you know what, I was very disappointed. As in, kind of I do not like such screenplay wherein the camera follows a character.
Hmm.
So that screenplay is somewhat, it causes a lot of headache. मेरे को तो सर में दर्द हो जाता है वो स्क्रीन प्ले देख के.
Okay.
हाँ. एंड मेरे को ऐसा कोई मूवी नहीं पता जो कि similar type of screenplay ho.
Hmm.
But the thing is, the movie was very different. It was
Hmm.
like very different. And Anil Kapoor's acting is brilliant.
Hmm.
Absolutely amazing.
Hmm.
Anil Kapoor was absolutely amazing.
And
And
he was looking younger than Anurag Kashyap.
obviously, वो तो ऑब्वियस है. अनिल कपूर पता नहीं 100 साल तक भी ऐसे ही लगेगा. वो ऐसा लगता है
Seriously,
जकास.
I mean, I follow him on Instagram and I see that how he trains even at this age. He's like 50 plus or something,
I
or
don't
maybe
know.
even 60, I don't know.
Mm.
But he trains so well with his trainer. He just jogs, he just does multiple activities. I think he will be like, um I mean, Hollywood. He's almost like a Hollywood actor, I feel, because he's maintaining his fitness level so well. And coming and talking about the director, he's the director of Udan,
Yeah, Vikramaditya
Vikramaditya
Motwane.
Motwane. And I was like, when Varun said that it's Udan's director, I was like, okay, at least for that director, I'll watch, because I was not interested in the movie. I was not interested in the story, subject, anything. Okay, I just wanted to watch it for Anil Kapoor. And then when Varun said that it's Udan's director, I was like, are you serious? He has directed this? And then I was like, yeah, when I was watching the trailer and the teaser, whatever they were launching, the fight, whatever that was
Between
made
AK,
up,
the
it was like
entire social
staged
media
and all.
hype.
I was like, I remember seeing this guy. Yeah, okay, let's watch it. But trust me, I was so disappointed with Vikram. I mean, I was like, you have done something like Udan, and then this. I'm like, duh.
I felt it was a very different, very very different movie, and
Mm.
Anil Kapoor was brilliant. But the thing is, I don't like such screenplay
Mm.
wherein the camera follows the character
No,
everywhere.
what did
It
you
is like,
think about the director's part in this?
I think it is some of the shots were really good. If you see from a director's point of view, it was really good. But the thing is, the entire movie does not work for me. It is
Hmm.
absolutely. It's like it was
It's
a
like,
different take on something, but I did not like it.
yeah.
Especially, I think where the movie is good, really technically, is that there are a lot of shots which are like a single shot.
Hmm.
There is no cut,
Hmm.
and the best scene in the movie is that accident which they
Acha.
show.
Okay.
My God.
That looks actual real
That is
type.
so real, man.
It looks real. Yeah.
And I don't know whether Anil Kapoor did it really or not or something, because
Yeah.
the camera follows him around and suddenly the car
Huh.
appears from somewhere, and it was like,
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
and I like the scenes where Anil Kapoor was going to that stage, the pandal where people would be dancing and enjoying.
Hmm.
Apart from that, the movie does not work for me.
Hmm.
It was you know too much of reality sort of screenplay.
Hmm.
So that is something which is sort of irritating, annoying.
Okay. What about the casting?
कास्टिंग वाइज उसमें देखो तो तुम्हें दो मेन कैरेक्टर्स ही हैं,
Hmm.
और कोई तो वो एक जो कैमरा लेके घूमती है वो लड़की है.
Hmm.
एंड casting wise, I think it was a reality based movie. I mean, both of them were playing themselves.
Themselves. Yeah.
हाँ, तो
I mean,
ऐसा.
everyone was playing themselves, I believe.
हाँ, in fact they showed Boni Kapoor.
Sonam Kapoor.
हाँ,
and
they showed
right?
अनिल कपूर सन
हर्षवर्धन।
हर्षवर्धन कपूर, और फिर एंड अनिल कपूर भाई का गालियां देता है.
Hmm.
मतलब कि मेरे को तो लगता है सही में जब अनिल कपूर गुस्से में आता है ना, वो ऐसे ही बन
He
जाता है.
can,
हाँ,
yeah.
ही कैन.
That's how you felt it.
मेरे को तो ऐसे ही लगता है हमेशा. मतलब कि अनिल कपूर वैसे तो बहुत खुश रहता है, लेकिन कभी कभी गुस्से में आता है. हाँ.
Okay, so let's talk about the screenplay. As you said, you didn't like it at all.
नहीं, स्क्रीन प्ले कैमरा जो फॉलो करता है वैसा स्क्रीन प्ले मुझे पसंद नहीं है. तो वो मैंने ट्रेलर में मैंने देख लिया था कि ऐसा स्क्रीन प्ले है, बट मैं देखना चाहता था कि क्या इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है. अनुराग कश्यप एक मूवी कर रहा है, विक्रमादित्य मोटवानी डायरेक्टर है, देयर इज अनिल कपूर. सो इट वाज, आई थॉट कि इट वुड बी, I was expecting more. I feel I was expecting
Okay.
more.
Me talking about the casting and screenplay. Casting was like okay. Sonam Kapoor kidnap ho gayi and all that. I knew that it's like crazy some shit they are doing. And then when it came to like Boni Kapoor, I was like, Boni Kapoor, what is he doing here? I was like,
हाँ तो
is he even comfortable facing the camera for the first time? That's what I felt.
लेकिन
But he was totally cool and he
हाँ.
carried on. So that was good. And he just had to play himself. That was still fine. But still, some people become really, cautious and nervous and all that. They'll not be able to talk. They'll start mumbling. So that's what I felt. But then he has been in the industry for a long time, so he doesn't mind playing that small cameo. I felt
everyone was playing themselves.
Yeah. And
उसमें क्या
screenplay
तुम
is absolutely not my kind of movie. So, and coming about the story was like, I don't know what they were trying to do, and at the last it was like, okay, I did this and all that happened. But the only thing, we are coming to the end of it, so I am just discussing about the like and dislike. Dislike is most of the part of the movie, and like is only two things I liked in this. Is when Anil Kapoor starts dancing for his famous number. My name is Lakhan. My name is Lakhan. That step, and then Rampapapam, some
song, his
something, and then he starts humming and dancing with the crowd and all that. And then in the last, when he says FYFI, FYFI,
उसका मतलब क्या है?
that is for your fucking information.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's what he says. Even
Okay.
I didn't know that till now.
Okay.
FYI, we all know because we work in a corporate, right? So
Wondering how
FYFI.
could I cannot guess it.
FYFI, he said. Only two things I liked. Other than that, it was just a crap for me.
Yeah.
And it was a waste of time. I was like, I wasted 2 hours of my life. That's how I felt. And it was like total bad experience for me.
हाँ, और फिर मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था
Like and
कि
dislike, yeah.
हाँ, लाइक्स तो आई वाज I like the part कि Anurag Kashyap chose to do it because he is the only. I feel that वो थोड़ा ऐसा ऐसा है. वो हाँ वो ऐसी चीजें कर सकता है. अनुराग कश्यप ऐसी चीजें कर सकते हैं. And I love Anil Kapoor's acting in this. Anil Kapoor was absolutely, he smashed it. So I just wonder. I mean, Anil Kapoor can really go ahead and you know do similar kind of roles in an action avatar. I want to see him in that.
He has done already, na 24, that TV series something.
TV series तो मैंने देखा
Even
नहीं.
I have not seen actually. Many people praise about that 24. We have to check that out. Let's see.
I wish Anil Kapoor does a movie like Gangs of Wasseypur. मतलब कि गालियां देते समय कितना नेचुरल लगता है वो. और फिर
especially when he gets angry also.
Oh my god, Anil Kapoor gets seriously pissed.
Yeah, I like the angry scenes where he was getting angry and abusing Anurag Kashyap. That was the best thing, because I really feel Anurag Kashyap deserves that, because he's so irritating. I feel like he's really irritating. I'm so sorry, Anurag Kashyap fans, if you guys are watching, but I really didn't like him. I'm sorry. No, that's it from us.
Yeah.
For AK versus AK. And I would rather recommend you to watch Kohli #1.
Okay. Yeah, that will be. We will go ahead and review that as well. So for now, just AK versus AK we saw last night, and
if I have to rate 1 to 5, I'll rate it 1.
I'll give it 2. I just because I liked Anil Kapoor's acting.
Okay.
I'll give it 2, and it was very different, and I'll give it 2.
Okay.
So
then,
thank you guys.
Signing
off. Sayonara. Over and out.
Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this review.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.